Listen up. Here's a trick that'll put $50,000 directly in your pocket. There is no person I hate more in this world paying than Uncle Sam. As my net worth has continued to increase, so has the money I've spent to try to find legal tax loopholes. If you own a rental property, here's exactly how I'm saving $50,000 off my tax bill this year without spending any money out of my pocket. We all know energy costs have continued to soar, and Biden recently passed the Inflation Reduction Act, which increased the solar tax credit that somebody can receive to 30% of the cost of a solar system. So I'm going to be taking advantage of this and putting solar systems on my 3 rental homes in California. I'm going to be financing each one of these 3 solar systems at a 2% interest rate, fixed for 25 years with $0 out of my pocket. Now, I get to take a 30% tax credit given to me even though I financed the full amount of the solar system. So, the average solar system cost $30,000. Now, if I get a 30% tax credit, that gives me $9,000 in a tax credit per property, so that is $27,000 less I have to write a check for to Uncle Sam. That's not all. Because I financed those systems, I actually get to take the deduction because it was an equipment purchase on a rental property for the full amount minus the tax credit. So for an example, if the system was $30,000 and I got a $9,000 tax credit, that gives me $21,000 of an additional write-off off my rental schedule on my tax return. So 3 properties at a $21,000 write-off is $60,000 in additional tax deductions, which saves me 30 grand on my tax bill, plus the $27,000 tax credit saves me and keeps $60,000 more in my pocket without spending a single dollar. Now, I even go one step further, and I'm gonna reach out to all my tenants and I'm going to increase their rent by a little bit less than what they're paying for their electric bill, because now they're not going to have an electric bill. So I'm going to get $200, $250 more per month in rent. My solar payments only about $200 a month, and I also can cash flow $50 more per month on every property. This is an absolute no-brainer. If you're curious about some of the solar research I did to find this out, send me a DM, #solar, and I'll send you all that info.